We just got these, and if you look, these are the Beyond Pro hearing aids. So let's go ahead and unbox it. There we go. All right, so let's unbox these beautiful hearing aids. And I've got to say, that is very sleek. And this is nice because they give you this so you can pop it out of there without too much trouble. So here's your case. This is your charging port, USB-C. Bam, and there's your hearing aids. And if you notice, you've got these little tabs here. And so we have to pull those tabs off of there. All right, so if you look here, there's your red, which is your right, and there's your blue, which is your left, okay? So let me set it here for a second. Let me pop it out. So if you look, you gotta pull this off of here. You follow me? Because that's your contacts. Let's set that over there. All right, so now when I put that in there, it'll be charging, and it's magnetic, watch. See how that does that? Now let me pop this one out. Same thing, pop that off. You can see your little contacts there that touch right there. Watch, magnetic, you follow me? So that's nice, right? And it looks like they're fully charged right now and ready to go. Usually when you push on the top of it, the volume goes up, and you push on the bottom, the volume goes down. And if you push and hold, it either starts or stops it. So that's basically how these things work. And so let's go ahead, let's slide that over there, right? And let's look underneath here. Let's see what we got. All right, look, stop. Do not return to the store. For your convenience, to resolve any issues, give them a call or email them. All right, so let's pop this out. We'll set that over there. Now, if I flip it over, you're going to see we've got the ear domes, and we've got wax guards in here. And we also have a USB inside of here. So, and they give you these little things where you can kind of pull this out. And so if we go ahead and open this, you can see this is a USB to USB-A to USB-C. Let me pop it out. So that's what you got right there, USB-A to USB-C. Let's set that there. And then you have your ear domes in here. And look, it's two little separate things. So you pop it open, and they should be all wrapped up because you want them sterile, right? And so here's your domes. You got a bunch of them, more than you need. And they have different sizes, so the ones that don't fit you, you can change them. And then over here, you've got your wax deals, right? Oh, shoot, they almost all fell out of there. That's not good. It does come with this little brush, and this little, on the one side, you got a little thing you can scrape, and then you get your brush. Let me set that there for a second. Let me see if I can fix this. Oh, yeah, that's not good. You don't want that to happen. See that? That popped open for some reason. So let's go ahead and we'll put these back in there. Jeez. You see what I mean? They give you, there's 4 of them. So be advised when you open that up, you may encounter this problem. And you do want to try to keep these as sterile as possible, or clean as possible. And so let's just go ahead and snap that shut. And we're going to go ahead and put that back in here, just like that. So, you know, so we have it. And I would recommend keeping the box, you know what I mean? And I would just go ahead and set it right back down in here. And this box I'm going to go ahead and hang on to. I'm not going to put that back in there for now because we may need that to charge it, right? And we'll put it right down there like that. And so there's our hearing aids, right? And let me pop one out. All right, so this goes behind your ear. This goes behind your ear, and this goes into your ear canal. And let's go ahead and try doing that. All right, so Before I put this in, I'm going to try to bring the sound down a little bit on it, right here. And then what I'm going to do is this is going to go in my ear, and this goes to my left side, right? This is the blue side. This goes in your ear, and this goes around it here. If I can get it behind there. There we go. Okay, now I just got to get this down in there. Okay, it's in. Now let's see if I can get a good view of it here. There it is. See? And then if I want to change it, I can press on this here to either lower the sound or I can raise it. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's it. See if I can get the other one in. So you can see, when you first do this, man, it's kind of hard because like you're looking in the mirror, you're trying to figure it out. You got your glasses on, you got to lift your glass up, and then you get this down inside there, like that. Right, let me see if I can. If you guys can see, this one's higher. I didn't lower the thing on it. You can see it right there. If you touch it, it kind of gives you a little feedback, right? You can see it behind my ear. But yeah, sounds good. I mean, it definitely, it's so loud. Now this ear feels like, woo. All right, so we got to put them back in the box. Just to show you guys, like if I get them close together, they do give a little feedback sometimes. So anyway, yeah. So, and they can only go one way in the box. You can only get them in one way. And if you look underneath here, this one is red. You see how it's red? And this one's blue. So we know that the red goes here, blue goes there. And bam, Bob's your uncle. Now, if we want to charge them up, we just go ahead and plug them into a USB-C, which, is this part here. And you need a block because this does not come with a block. You follows me? And there is an app that you can download so that you can set these things to the right frequency and hearing, and you can play with it a little bit and make it so it's more personalized to your problem with your ears. But that's another video. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I show you cool stuff like this right here. Peace out.